Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 21st, 2023. Three puzzles are left. The three stars, one puzzle is left. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7489. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 14 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. Let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape there. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw. Well, let me draw this shape. It's the same shape but rotated. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. Told you this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Only 2 of them. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more L shapes in this puzzle. Let me check here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, Then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this quadra box should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 anymore. Should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Oh! Come on. Tripod. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Definitely 3, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I've marked this box with 1 or 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 or 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 5 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box. Need to wait. That box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Well, Let me think. Let me think. Think. This box, I think it should be a 4. Because this box can be 1 or 2. Same for here, can be 1 or 2. But can also not be a 3 and a 5. Yeah, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Well, this box can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. This box can be 1, this box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, and these 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in the squash area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for us 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 2. And I've eliminated a 3, so the 3 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. Can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. And the final 2 numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there, finished in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics. Playlist for the binaries. I have a playlist for the letter Sudoku. Also for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 stars Sudokus. And I've also a playlist for the Samurai Sudoku, for the Killer Sudoku, and for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Oh, I've already told you the Jigsaw Sudoku. I've already. So all kind of puzzles or playlists that you can find in my channel. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow, yes, on a Wednesday. Until that, bye bye for now.